Now we will learn how to insert the values in this already created table. Then again we will write a new query. For that, again go to this create, then query design, close it, and SQL view. Here you will get again space to write SQL queries. Insert into table name. My table name is EMP values. First field is ID, then name. Name is written in varchar, so I will give here single quote. Then Rajat, close this single quote, comma. Then next is address. I will give here XYZ, close this comma. Then city. XYZ, I am repeating this, or I will give the correct thing. Suppose I am giving here Meerut. Then close this bracket and run it. Now see, message is highlighted here. You are about to append one row. Then yes. One row is inserted in this EMP table. Now to insert the another one, I will do 102. Then change the name here. Gaurav. And city and the address is, and I will take the same Meerut city. Then run. Next, what I want to do here, I will use the 101 ID again and name Raj, and I will change here and MZN. Now see, because I already applied primary key on ID, just see here I am repeating this 101. So when I will run here, it will show you error. See here, Microsoft Access cannot append all the records in the append query because this is duplicate value. So what we will do? We will change it in 3. Now this record is inserted in this EMP table. Now we will see how to show the records of this EMP table. Create the another query, query design, SQL view, select star. Star means all the fields we want to show you from EMP. Then run. 101, 2, 3 and the name and the addresses are shown here. Now see some variations regarding this select query here. Again go to this query in SQL view. Here make some changes. Suppose you want to see only city. Run. Just see only city field data is shown here. Now another select query. You want to see all the records using this star. Now this is very important. Suppose I want to show only the records, those employees, those belongs to Meerut. So where is a clause? We should apply here where city is equals to within a single quote Meerut. I have to see this M is capital or not. First, I will see again. M is in small letter. So we will find using small. So what I will do here, again SQL, then WHERE, where city is equals to what? Meerut. Close this single quote and run. You see only the Meerut city's employees are shown here. Now what another thing? If you want to see only the Muzaffarnagar, MZN, only MZN cities information is shown here. Now suppose not equals to, this is the equal sign that is for equals to, and not equals to, you will use this sign. See here, those are not in MZN are shown here. Meerut is shown here. Not equal sign is less than and greater than MZN.